What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to host your website on Google Drive. Now first of all, go to your drive here, create a new folder, and make sure to name it the same as your website. So let's say my website is howtosimple.site, so www.howtosimple.site, and make sure you spell it right. Create the folder, and now the folder is created. Now the next step you need to do is to go to this website, that's drv.tw, which will allow you to, of course it'll ask for access to your Google account, and it'll allow you to locally store all your website's files into your Google Drive. If you are running a simple one-page website or a simple blog, this method will be great. However, the downside is that you won't have any support from like hosting services, and you won't be able to use CMS services such as WordPress. However, it works great for basic websites. Now here you need to click on Host on Google Drive. It will ask you to connect your Google Drive, and once you do, you'll be able to connect your website to your Google Drive, and all your website's files will be stored on Google Drive in the folder that you created with the same name as your website.